Hi again.
Hi.
So we've been doing a little bit of experimenting, and Bridget has been drawing these beautiful earths on a kitchen roll, a piece of kitchen roll. And we thought for Earth Week this week, we thought this would be a great experiment. And so, do you want to just tell us what you did, Bridget?
Yeah. So I was using these textures that you all, I think, got sent in the yellow envelope.
That's right. Well, you might not have got them yet, but you will get them.
And I chose the brown, green, and blue to draw the world on, as Zareen said, on one of those pieces of paper. So I had the blue for the ocean, and then made up some land with the green and brown, and they're all different. It doesn't matter really.
They all look beautiful.
You can just imagine your world if you like, I think.
Yeah.
So that's where we're at.
And then what did we do? Because we thought, might be nice to make it kind of merge all the colours together. And how did you do that, Bridget?
I had a few experiments. I'll show you a couple of them. We show you the end, sort of what I was aiming at, which was...
This looks beautiful. It's almost like the sea has come to meet the land.
Yeah, a little bit tie-dye.
Like waves.
So actually I haven't tried this before, but we'll do it on camera for you. So I'm putting my fingers into a glass of water, and then if you can see the drawing, I'm just watching the drips drip onto the planet.
I can already see something happening.
Which is really...
Can you see it?
It feels really nice on my fingers.
I can see some of the colours are already starting to run into the other colours.
Yes. And if you have, you can try lots of different ways. If you had a spray bottle, you could also spray the water, but I'm using my fingers sort of like a sprinkler.
We've all got fingers, haven't we? We've all got fingers in water, so I think this one might be we could all do this one, I think.
Yeah.
It's almost like the earth is coming alive.
What do you think? Is there any dry? There's a few little dry spots.
A few little dry spots. Maybe those are the deserts. Looks beautiful.
Okay.
Wow.
We lift it up and
look
show
at
you.
That looks amazing. And what was the other way, Bridget?
So another way was with a dishcloth that I put a little bit of water in. But I didn't want it to be super wet, so I squeeze out most of it so it's still a bit wet, but not dripping. And then I was just sponging
it.
and pressing my hand over the top.
Oh, wow. It's got slightly different kind of effect.
Again, it's pretty fun to squish. I think I like the drippy finger.
I like the drippy finger, yeah, it looked really fun.
What do you think about this one?
I like this one too, actually, especially because it doesn't look like you've really soaked it with lots of water, so it's kind of, it's keeping more together somehow. But,
it doesn't look...
Looks different, I think.
Doesn't look as merged.
Yeah. Which one do you prefer? You might have another way of doing it too.
Yeah, there are so many ways of putting water onto your drawing.
Yeah.
And then... What do we need to do?
Well, I thought it might be fun to let them dry and then maybe have a think about a few ways that you can help the earth stay healthy. So we've kind of talked a little bit about it before, doing our recycling and turning the lights off, and but maybe you can sit down with mum and dad and maybe write down some of the things that you would like to do that this year, and that you can help the earth stay nice and healthy.
And then write them onto this.
And write them onto here when it's dry, and then send us a photo, because we would love to see it, and then we can actually put it into your scrapbooks too, which would be lovely. All right, happy Earth Week.
Happy Earth Week.